the MAC Virtual Open House at the University of South Alabama. I'm Dr. Tiffany DeRoy, the Faculty Director of the Master of Accounting program. Thank you for taking the time to explore our program. So today I'm just going to walk you through the highlights of our MAC program, and then Jessica Franks, who is our Director of Graduate Studies, will walk you through some of the admissions criteria. But first, let me introduce the rest of the MAC leadership team. First, we have Dr. Michael Capella. He is the Dean at the Mitchell College of Business. We have Dr. James Rich, who is the Chair of the Department of Accounting. Jessica Franks, who I just mentioned, is the Director of Graduate Studies. And then myself, Dr. DeRoy, the Faculty Director of the MAC program. We are all dedicated to supporting you through every step of your graduate education journey. So why should you pursue a master's in accounting? Our MAC program helps you build technical skills and prepares you to pass the CPA exam. So there's been studies that have shown that graduate students have better CPA success rates and faster promotion opportunities. A study that surveyed partners at CPA firms found that the partners believe there are many benefits of getting the additional 30 credits for the MAC degree. First and foremost, the knowledge that you gain was the #1 benefit seen by partners. The increased chances of being recruited and the probability of promotion more than likely come from the confidence and maturity and professional judgment that you'll also gain through earning a master's degree. So whether your goals involve public practice, corporate leadership, or teaching, the MAC will give you a competitive advantage. So why should you pursue it at South? Our MAC program stands out for its flexibility, quality, and student-centered approach. Our program is 100% online and AACSB accredited. This means you're getting the highest standards in business education. You can complete it in as little as 1 year on a schedule that works for you. You'll also benefit from our integrated CPA exam preparation, which I'll talk more about shortly. And our courses are taught by experienced faculty who bring both academic expertise as well as real-world insight. So most importantly, you're more than just a number here. We prioritize connection and mentorship as we truly care about your success. All right, Jessica's going to talk more about eligibility, but I do want to mention that if you do not have an accounting undergraduate degree, you'll more than likely need the following undergraduate foundation courses. If you have a business degree, just not in accounting, it's likely you'll already have these 3 200-level courses. But either way, most students are able to complete these prerequisites in as little as 2 to 3 semesters, depending on their availability. All right. Let's talk a little bit about the curriculum. So our curriculum includes 10 courses covering everything from accounting theory to technology to fraud detection. You'll take classes in forensic accounting, auditing, tax research, managerial accounting, and systems. Plus, we have 2 CPA review courses, the Professional Accounting 1 and the Professional Accounting 2 are specifically CPA exam course, CPA review courses, right? So this whole mix ensures that you're very well prepared for the CPA exam upon completion of the program. The courses are offered on a rotating schedule. So these first 4 courses are offered every fall semester. The next 4 are offered every spring semester. And then these last 2 are offered every summer semester. So it's very important to build a plan that fits your schedule and graduation timeline. And I'm here to help make sure you are able to do that. We also offer some additional courses. So not everyone wants to sit for the CPA exam, right? Most people that are pursuing a MAC degree are interested in the CPA, but there are some who are not. So we do offer other courses to fulfill those requirements if you don't take the prep classes. We also offer accounting of government and not-for-profit for our Mississippi friends who that's required for their CPA exam eligibility. All right, so we do have some additional course offerings. And so if you are one of those people that are not interested in the CPA exam prep, please feel free to reach out to me and we can discuss the alternatives. All right, but most people pursuing the master's degree are interested in the CPA exam. So just as a quick reminder, the CPA exam is structured into 3 core sections and 1 discipline. So the 3 core sections are the auditing and attestation, financial accounting and reporting, and taxation and regulation. Those are the core. And then you select 1 discipline that aligns with your strengths or your career interests. That's business analysis and reporting, information systems and controls, and then tax compliance and planning. So you would pick one of those 3. So let's discuss how our program integrates with these CPA exam sections. So our MAC curriculum is designed not only to deepen your accounting knowledge, but also expose you to the concepts and the skills tested across all of these disciplines. So for example, Accounting 531, that's tax planning and research, that's taught by myself. This is directly aligned with the reg section and is especially helpful if you plan to pursue the TCP discipline, the tax compliance and planning. So this course teaches more than just tax rules. It builds critical thinking, research, and communication skills, which are all essential in advisory and compliance roles. So like I said, it's an ideal foundation for the reg section and for anyone considering a career in taxation or pursuing the TCP pathway. All right. Another example would be the advanced auditing and analytics taught by Dr. Zinn. So this covers the core content of the auditing section and also supports the BAR section because it's focused on data analysis and reporting. So again, these are not review courses specifically, but they introduce the concepts that will be tested across these sections. So students explore auditing standards, risk assessment, internal control evaluations, and how technology is shaping modern audits. All right, and then another example would be ACC 541. This is Advanced Accounting Systems. This one is also taught by me. And this one, we take a deep dive into real-world accounting systems. So this course directly supports the ISC discipline, the information systems and controls, right? So we explore how systems are designed, how to detect and address system errors, and how internal controls are built and evaluated within those systems, right? So you kind of get a feel for that ISC discipline. But the real review courses come with ACC 570 and 571. These are taught by Dr. Johnson and Dr. Rich. These are specifically designed to help you prepare for the CPA exam. So they'll help you review and apply the knowledge across all 4 sections, the 3 required, and then the 1 discipline of your choice. So together, all these courses give you a structured review so that you are exam ready by the end of the program. And specifically, these 2 courses are designed for you to study and sit for the exam at the end of the course so that when you are done with the program, you could potentially have already earned and passed you got your master's degree and passed these sections of the CPA exam. All right. So if you have any questions about these, about the curriculum, please feel free to reach out to me directly. That's my email address there, tderoy@southalabama.edu. But now I'm going to turn it over to Jessica Franks, who's going to talk to you about the admissions process. I hope I have the opportunity to talk to each one of you soon, so please reach out with any questions. And Jessica, I'll turn it over to you.
All right, thank you. We are so excited to have everybody here with us today, and we're excited to know that you're interested in our MAC program. I'm going to talk a little bit about not only our admissions process, but also a little bit more about what we have to offer as a college to our MAC students. But Tiffany, if you want to click over. We admit a new cohort each semester for the MAC program. So if you are interested in applying for the fall semester, you have until July 15th for our upcoming fall semester. And then we also admit students for the spring semester and summer semester as well. So a bachelor's degree is required, but if you have a bachelor's degree that's not in accounting, you still have the opportunity to apply, but you do need to complete those prerequisite courses that Dr. DeRoy listed earlier, and you have to complete those with a C or better. Applicants with a GPA that is over a 3.0 are eligible for regular admission. If you have a GPA that is less than 3.0, though, you may qualify for provisional admission. And we do not require the GRE or the GMAT, but we do require 3 letters of recommendation. We recommend that you use professors, but if you do not have professors that are able to write you recommendation letters, supervisors from jobs are a good option. You can also ask people if you've been in community service activities or volunteer activities. People who work with you in those areas also make excellent recommendations. And also people who can just speak to your ability to work hard, that you have integrity, and things like that. And then we also require a personal statement. We request that you tell us why you want to complete your MAC degree, what you're looking for as far as your career progression and things like that. As far as some of the things that we offer beyond just our courses, we offer professional development and networking opportunities to our MAC students. Those are available both online because it is an online person, but we do offer in-person opportunities as well. We also host Meet the Firms every fall, which is our accounting career fair. And we host the Mitchell College of Business Career Fair in the spring, which is a business college-wide career fair, but we have many, many firms and companies that are there searching for our accounting students as well. If you have any questions about the admissions process or any administrative questions, I'm always happy to answer those. You have my contact information below, or you can find that information on the website.